come in and said, look, we want to play Camp City. Like, we enjoyed the game against them. They're a laugh, aren't they?
Yeah. Alright people, welcome back to another episode of CC at the Fives. You know what's going on, we're live. Last game of the season. Let's take a quick look at the league tables and see how it's looking right now. Obviously, we done the job last week. 3 points in the bag. You can see what's going on, we're top of the tree again. Goal difference helping us out. So let's get it cracking, man.
Harry, you score 3. George said you could put it in half.
Jesus Christ.
Go on, Victor. Emmy. Stop being a hooker and get TikTok live. Get off TikTok live and watch it, right?
I can like so much.
Alright people, as you can hear, we're playing the young boys, Pique-Boo FC. They've started off with the pleasantries. Anyway, you can see we're getting straight to it. We're looking for some goals. We want plenty.
There you go, boys.
Jake started us off.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised.
If we score more than 4, it's a win.
You can hear what it means to them. But really, we're here to win the league.
You see it, right? Which one? The goal.
Yeah, no shots, boys, no shots. Look, that's what he's doing, man.
I'm not playing for him, neither really. I was just watching, man. We're just watching, that's all I'm saying. Like, he's good, I'm mid.
Who's your manager? Lad.
3-0 within the first 5. Looking like it could be a long day for them.
Yeah, Ryan, head up, please.
I think it's game over already.
No, it's not. It's 0-0. Ryan. I barged from someone in the corner. Semi-gift. Stop being fun. Stay up.
You know only they're going to restart.
5-0, not even 2 minutes gone.
Going on, broken foot and I'm still going on.
No, you won't be better than me, watch this. I'll just stick up front, I'll step top.
Well on lads, good defending, good tracking boys! Yes, Ryan! That's brilliant. Fuck me, 22% safe completion.
Harry, some squad, look
And that's 6.
4-0, 5-0. This is what happens every Monday.
6-0 and the boys don't look like they're taking their feet off the gas.
He might be playing for the other team, bro.
Probably. Yeah.
Imposter.
Have another one.
Imposter.
7. He tries to get his screamer again.
Oh my God, oh.
Happens once in a lifetime. Other guy skies it. Anyway, shots galore. Little bits and bobs going on. Hate finding it. Keep it safe. I think that's his first save in 7.
What the fuck?
Tell him pick that out of your onion bag.
8.
That's 8.
Oh, what the fuck?
Don't think the punters on the sideline were happy with that one.
Yeah, nice dribbling, George! Through the middle!
Yeah, well done, Reece.
Pass, George.
8-0 and I'm just happy that they haven't given up. See, my friend goes to church every Sunday and he always tells me stories, but when things go wrong in his life, he says things like this.
Jesus.
The boy Scarface feeding them goals. 9-0, no joke thing. We want double figures. Not much happening.
George, that's on you, mate.
Apart from us attacking, teams getting ripped, H having fun out there. Keep it safe. One mistake. That's Scarface with another one.
Oh, who's that? You're turning me on. You're fucking happy. Can I give me back shots? Give me back shots. Why am I here?
While they're on the sidelines talking about back shots,
Flame on the ground.
Cam's feeding the goals. One of those boys on the other team was only 16. He told me this is how his parents reacted to when he got his GCSE results.
Jesus.
Yeah, I'm going Turkey next month. Whereabouts in Turkey are you? Are you a woman or a man?
While me and Matt are struggling to feed the goals, it sounds like TikTok Live is feeding her. I grew up on Ronaldinho.
Had it covered.
Anyway, 11-0. I think about 10 minutes gone, maybe just over. We're looking for more. Cam makes it 12. 12-0. Goal difference looking mighty fine. We keep this up and we won the league. The only way we can be stopped is if the other team score 40 plus goals. I don't see it happening. The last team that tried to count goal difference with us got left in the pack. Anyway, ball that's being moved around, kept, making the young boys burn off their energy so when they go home their parents will be happy. I lose in possession. But remember the boy I told you that showed his parents the GCSEs? He's just showing his friend now. This is his reaction.
Oh my fuck. That's
Anyway, 12. Looks like the boys are really in motion at this point. I know we're not playing the best opposition, but they all count. 13-0. Man, we're just having fun right now. It's a great way to see off the league, man. You know, we've played all our games in this league.
It's on my shirt.
It's another one. 14 like the boy Thierry. Serious player he was back in his day.
God, Ryan, shot.
I think even in today's game he'd still be a baller. Anyway, back to the fives. The young boys, they got the ball and they're trying to start mounting a bit of possession.
That's next dead, isn't it?
Can't on the sideline keep talking about back shots. Horny bunch they are. H having too much fun at this point. Run the clock down. 15. That's their age. 15-0. Punter on the sideline thinking we're taking the piss. What does he think now? 16 love. Game surely down and done.
It is Michael. Yeah, strike.
But we want more.
Yeah, ball, George.
H, Cam, H. His name's H, not Harry. 17-0. And the boys are on fire. Cam 1-1 with the keeper. You know how that one ends. 18. What a time to be alive. Last game of the season. More goals. More blood. I can smell champions. Liam can too. 19-0. It's not even half time yet. I don't think we're done. Cam wins it back. Gives it to Jake. It's another one. Feeling like back to back. Michael Jordan 96-97. That's 21. Blink and you'll miss it. They get one back. And they celebrate that they've won the FA Cup final. 21-1. Keep it shot at 0-0.
Go on, tackle him, George. Oi, Harvey Pine.
I've never seen Liam header before. First time for everything. Come out in front, just running rampant through them.
Just standing there.
I understand. I don't think we'll meet them again, but give these kids a few years, and they might be one of the best teams down the fives. If we're not here.
About, because we know we're going to lose. Like, come on. Like,
21-1. Game's far from done. They've got the right idea.
Hold. Who's there? Let him know, Lewis, then. Dad. I don't want the refs arguing with the players.
Yeah, this ain't got the execution. Hates with it.
I know, but like, don't be fucking have an argument.
Jake, stand you up, then shift, and he's gone. Blinking, you miss him. You know he's looking for an angle. Gets it back, give and go. Pick that out of your onion back.
You can watch on Clamp City YouTube. Everyone go subscribe.
I'll get some video shortly.
Well done, Lewis, mate. You get a McDonald's burger after that. Fat bastard. Well done,
It's another one. You heard the man. Go subscribe. 23-1.
Lewis thinks he's good.
Shall I let him shoot?
No, Harry. Why not?
How should play?
Jake taking his time.
Lads, we're 15 minutes in and we're 20 down.
Yeah, at least we're not 21. It is 21, it's 22 now. 24.
Oh, right. Go on, Harry, that's you, mate.
That's all.
Brian, mate, head up.
Cool.
Well done, that's a...
He's punted it. Touch was over his head.
What a save!
Oh, he keeps him in a great save there. Push that in the corner. 24-1. Surely day's done, but we ain't even reached half time yet. Like Jay-Z said, if you're having girl problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems and the scoreline ain't one.
Everyone else in that team probably gets picked up.
Keep it moving like Manuel Neuer now. He's conceded 24.
Riley! Oh!
They might have run the pitch if they scored that one.
24-1.
Anyway, half time, 24-1.
Nearly halfway there, half time.
Yeah.
Hey, 40. We get more than 40 in it. Club City forever!
Do you want to be on it? That's why they come all the way down here, ain't you?
There you go.
Our little supporters.
Yeah, they're keeping up with the score as well.
Who's your favourite player so far? Who's your favourite player? Chris! Cool, you gotta say that though, innit? Because he's taking you home. Oh. If he weren't taking you home, who's your favourite player?
I'll have to see when I'm out pitch, innit? I'll still be the favourite when I score another 11.
I don't think so.
Come City!
We're winning this no matter what.
There you go.
Half time done and dusted. One more half and we will be crowned Division 2 champions in our first go at it. Division 1's on the horizon. I told the boys, let's go for 40 plus goals. They said, alright, I got you. 25-1. I don't think there's any way back. But what we can do in one half, they can do in the other. Anyways, taking a little run down. Run to the corner. Passed it to his friend. Gets a shot off.
It's a high goal scoring game, mate.
And I saved it.
He's a Norwich fan, mate. He's sound easy.
Anyway, 1-2 off his knee. Finds his way to Cam. Chris there to put his body on the line. Gets one in. 26-1. Division 1 on the horizon.
Quick feet, then they won't have a...
The boys have played amazing this season. I just
You like
asked
Jamie centre back, yeah?
that we get 50. One step closer.
What do you get if you win the league, by the way? So I assume you're going to win it tonight. You don't get a trophy or medals. Finish! A high five, maybe. Finish, George.
We don't get anything if we win the league.
Strike, George.
But we will get another 28-1. Game's nowhere near done.
It must be so boring for them. Bro. Carson, that's how bored you be from there.
I feel like the San Siro's erupted. 28-2. They get another one back. Come back on? I think not. 29. 30. I almost feel like I'm teaching the kids how to count.
Nah, Reece, you sure, man?
Even though we're winning 32, you can still see the hunger in the boys. They want more.
So why don't we actually lock in? We're not bad either.
So they're going to get more.
I drove 20 minutes my close game.
31-2. They're playing some loose passes now. It's like they've half given up, but they haven't.
I reach, that's all you.
31-3. I've conceded 2. Cam gets 10. I would have bet my house on scoring that.
I want to win out of it.
It would have been 3 weeks in a row. Partner on the sideline said he's going to sweat you. Scarface finishes those. That's breakfast, lunch and dinner. We go again. 33-3, 30 goals difference. Let's get it cracking, man. They're trying to limit their damage now. Playing back and keeping it. But they're going forward. So unlucky it's over. Keeper's not even diving anymore. He's on holiday. Hands on the crossbar, leaning back. That almost sounds like a Jay Huss bar.
It's just this fucking thing. Michael!
They go forward, but now we're coming forward. You know how it ends.
I can do that. When you go abuse your fucking
He gives to H. It's not a person I want to give the ball to. So this happens. 36-3, keeper's had enough. He's down and done. Sits down. I think if he had a newspaper, he'd read it. If he had a sandwich, he'd eat it. Time to get up. Eat this. 37-3. I had to mute the background noise out. Some stuff was going on. The way Scarface giving the keeper hot hands. Tell him hold that.
Are you confident that you're actually getting in the game?
Again, what they're talking about on the sidelines, 18 plus. Keepers out of there.
We've done a pretty shit job because we can see them about 30 seconds. Stay on through the ongoing 5 after that.
39-3. Chris is at a nibble.
You got a 36 goals.
Scarface, hook, line and sinker. 43, 10 to go.
Good save!
It's a great save, great shot. And then Matt having a bit of fun now. Joins the party. 41.
I'll post the video in the chat later.
42. He's lost it. And the boy Chipindo just looks over him. Passes the ball. That's 43. 43-3. He's come close. I think they just want a viral moment. There's one. Alright, Cam 50-50 winning his battles. Megs him. Leaves him in the dust. But his brethren comes to back him.
Just a little bit.
Keeper fumbles it. Quick thinking for the pair. 44, 6 to go. Half a century. At Powley on a Monday. Another simple save for me. Bounce it off. Man going forward. Gives to Chris. I think he punctured the other ball with that shot. 45-3. Game done and dusted now, surely. Keeper's still saving them. The boys are still playing with intensity. Division 1. We've got 2 feet in the door. Keeper's got one foot on the ball. $45-3. Someone who I don't want to see on the ball. Anyone. Just look at the play. It's amazing. How greedy. Punters on the sideline can't keep count. It's 46-3. We've won the league. But we want to do it in style. That's 47.
Lads, 4 more for 50, yeah? 4 more.
I've got.
At this point, I didn't think it would happen. He's quick. Cam said not today.
Which one?
Nothing comes from the free kick. Apart from our counter attack.
Well in, 3 more.
I don't want us to get it.
48-3. They won't forget this soon. They'll be having nightmares.
I'm gonna drop this one here.
Quick thinking from H into Cam. Second time lucky.
Well in.
2 more.
Has to keep it doing Irish dancing. 49-3.
No. Now when I put it in, then I'll just like.
Not the person you want to see running at you.
Well, I don't want you to try to put it in a bit.
You don't come back from that, yeah.
At this point, we started missing every shot. I didn't think it was going to happen.
How long left, Ref?
And then a breath of fresh air hit me. It's H, not Harry.
That's it, 1 more. Don't
Until 50.
Yeah. One more, lads.
53.
50. Oh.
Everyone on the sideline can't count.
And it might as well just do next got win.
But I'm glad. Because we want to go score more. Have another one.
Reece, you've got to lock it.
Yeah.
Scarface hits 10 as well.
You have 50 goals.
I don't think it's just. How do you feel in that? Is it alright? How do you feel in that? Is it alright?
Cam still wanting to win the ball back. Scarface with another.
2 more, get 50 goal difference.
52-3. Game done and dusted. The league's ours.
Hey, Coggins, you won 42 against this lot. We've got 10 more. Hey, did one, the big boys. That's what we're here for.
I don't do this.
That's what we're here for, innit? Did one. Lads, champions.
Yeah, no. Let's do this picture quickly.
Back to back.
My back
Get the picture.
You getting in?
Yeah, come in, yeah. Over there now, innit? Champions, champs. Champs.
Let's go.
52. Champs.
Oh, yeah, what's that? 52, innit?
52. Why 52? Oh yeah, 52, innit?
Scored 52, innit?
It's 52 still. Champs. Champs.
After game thoughts, lads. Div 1. How you lot feeling about Div 1? You lot tired?
I'm not scared one bit, to be honest.
Come on, man. smoky settings. Next week. Let's take a look at the scoreboards around. Obviously, we done our thing. Crouch Potatoes done their thing. Just not enough, you know what I'm saying? Goal difference lacking. COG bounced back from their loss last week. You know how it goes. As you can see, top of the tree. It was only going to end one way. CC. Out of 5s. Anyway, pick up the chairman, pick up the players then. We're locked in for life. See you all next week in Div 1. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.